kings and queens. Happy Wednesday. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I'm a bit tired, but even though I'm tired, I'm going to fix something quick and easy, but rather tasty for my family. Here I have some Atlantic salmon fillet. I've already sliced it up and washed it well and dry with a paper towel. These are the ingredients that I will be using. Seafood seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, paprika, black pepper, red pepper flakes, juice from a fresh lemon, minced garlic, and butter. Stay tuned. I'm going to combine all the dry seasoning into a bowl. Just going to give it a little whisk. Going to season up each salmon very well. Guys, you don't have to leave the skin on. You can remove the skin, but I like to leave the skin on. So what I do, I make sure I get all the extra scale off the skin. Just season well, guys. Make sure you season the side, on the side of the salmon. Okay. And everything looks good. Okay. Stay tuned. Okay, guys. So I'm using my cast iron skillet. So I'm going to put my butter in and allow the butter to melt. Is nicely melted, so now I'm going to add my garlic. It's been a minute now, and I'm just going to sear the salmon on each side. Because what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put this in my oven to finish cooking. Okay? Okay, guys, so looking good. So basically, I'm just going to turn it over on the other side, okay? And allow it to cook on the other side. See how good that looks? Look at this, guys. Looking really good, right? So basically, they're like, I sear them on each side. Now I'm just going to add my lemon juice. And then I'm just going to taste it a little bit. And I'm going to cover this and let it bake in the oven for like 10 minutes. You don't want to overcook it. But it's looking good so far, guys. So guys, I'm going to set, my oven is preheated on 375. And I'm just going to set this in the oven for 10 minutes. Okay? 10 to 15 minutes, because you don't want to overcook it. Okay guys, it's been 10 to 12 minutes, just about. So let's check it out. Ooh, look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. Looks yummy to me. Whew. Can't wait to dig into this. Okay, so this is it, guys. My garlic lemon buttered baked salmon, I suppose. Very quick and easy, and I'm sure it's rather juicy and tasty. I will put everything in the description box. I'm going to serve this with some vegetables and some rice for my family. And if you guys try this recipe, please let me know. And until next time, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys, and be kind to others. One love.